Alright, in this video I'm just going to quickly talk about FTPs, which is a server that you would use so that you could upload your pages and make them go live onto your website. Alright, and what I want to talk about here is FileZilla. It's free. You just go to Google, type in FileZilla, and you can download it for free. And this is what it looks like once you've downloaded and opened it. You're going to have to log in once you have it, and to log in, where it says the host here in this field, you're going to type in the name of your site. Let's say it's abc.com, but in front of it, instead of typing in www, you would, as it says here, you would type in ftp colon // abc.com. Okay, and then your username and your password, and this is username and password that you created when you open up your hosting account. Okay, so right now I'm logged in. On the left side here you can see our files. These are files on my computer, and on the right side is the files that are uploaded to my website. So let's just click on this, and I'm not a techie, so I don't know what these files mean. The only thing that you need to know for now is public HTML. Okay, and that's where you would upload all your files. So let's just see here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a folder where I could upload the files from that PLR folder that I'm working on for this demonstration. So I'm just going to right click, create directory, and I'm just going to name the folder test demo PLR. Okay, and that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.